Good day everyone. Welcome back to our classes. So today we are here going to discuss about and study about the JavaScript. So as you all know that JavaScript is really a very simple but this is the most popular scripting language. Comparing to our HTML, our previous lessons, we are coming in we have been talking about the markup language, but now we are in the scripting language. And we already know what's a markup language, and let me say what is this scripting language is. It is actually a scripting language is actually one that is capable of being executed without being compiled. So JavaScript is such a language. It's actually a scripting language. Works on all major browsers. So it is easy to be worked on any of these browsers that common here. And JavaScript is dynamic programming language. So these two words are really very important. We all know that Java is a programming language. And what this dynamic indicates, that is, it is capable of updating and changing. That means this is a real-time action, right? So this is actually doing a dynamic activity. That means it can update and change both the HTML and CSS. Yeah, so this is a really powerful one. Whatever be the things written inside the HTML as well as our cascading style sheets, this JavaScript is the one that makes it updated and works on it dynamically. Okay, so that's actually the main application of using this JavaScript here. And it can manipulate, calculate and validate the data. This is very, very important because nowadays this validation, calculation and manipulation is a very mandatory one. So without using this JavaScript, this is not possible. So that is the one to be keep in mind, that JavaScript is a scripting language. It's a dynamic programming language which can manipulate, calculate and validate the data. So JavaScript can be written inside. Yeah, this is the next one, right? Where to write it? It can be written inside the body tag and head tag in the HTML, or it can be written as an external file. So when we are going to write it as an external file, it's very important how to save this, with which extension. So if an external file, save it with the extension of .js, then only it can be treated as a JavaScript. Okay, so this is mandatory to save it with .js as what we have done in our previous lesson for HTML, which was with .html or .htm extension. So here this JavaScript, if you are writing this script inside the or on an external file, you want to save it in this .js extension. So if written inside the HTML, so where to insert or how to write it, that's the question. And we know that the CSS is normally written inside the style tags. Like that, this JavaScript has also got some special area. There only it can be written so as to work it properly. So here this is the one called the script tag, which is the one which is used to write the JavaScript inside the HTML. Then only it can be treated as a JavaScript while writing inside the HTML. Okay, so let's see how a simple code can be written. Okay, so this is our simple example. As we can see here, this HTML, that means we are writing this code inside the HTML. Okay, so we have told that it should be there inside the script tag. So when script tag is started, we can find that, or we can understand that here there is a JavaScript. So script started. So for that we have to mention which type of script we are using here. So script type is equal to, it can be a text or a JavaScript. Okay, so that's why we written like this, that is text to JavaScript. Then we just close that angular bracket only, not the script. Okay, script is actually closing here. So what actually written inside this? This is the one to output something that is written inside that. So document.write. This is the standard one to output something into a web page. So I want to write, here we are going to write hello world to our program. So in our web page are simply aiming to write or to print this hello world. For printing this hello world into our page, what we need, we want something to some input key, so some output key there. So here is that one in the JavaScript for outputting the values or outputs, that is document.write. So when you use this document.write, it indicates something to output. So whatever be the value inside this document.write will be shown in the output. Okay, so if we simply write it without using the script, can it work? No, it won't, because the script is the one that's showing this is a JavaScript or a text. Then you write it related to JavaScript codes or keywords, then only it can work as what aims. Okay, so now this is a simple example. We just did to do something using JavaScript. So we just written the script and mentioned the type, whether it is a text or JavaScript. So thus we can write that thing using. So my aim was to just to output something using the JavaScript. So here I used to output as a hello world text, that's all. So I just use this document.write as a standard word for writing something to output using JavaScript. So that's all about today's session. We will be talking about different ways of the outputting methods in JavaScript in the next session. Thank you.